boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope dealing money, he was getting some coins. Was the shootouts with the...
What it is? What's up? Yo, it's a synthetic wig install. Let me tell you. It's that serious. I'm telling you right now. Look, alright, so I went to the beauty supply because what the fuck am I doing telling the whole story? Alright, I'm gonna show you this synthetic wig install and you ain't never ever, I'm telling you, you're never gonna go back to them $200, $300 wigs. I already had cut the lace and the baby hairs and things like that, and I plucked it and everything. I should have showed you how it looked before, but my bad. I'll do it next time. Is the information of the wig. Alright, honey. They got different colors. P. I'm that one friend that be answering you like 5 weeks later, like, yo, so what's up? How you doing? Picking up the conversation like it's normal. I'm sorry. I got my bald head going. I honestly didn't want to go like OD. I didn't want to OD with the bald cap because I don't like to. But I glued it, put a little bit of powder, and that's it. I'm gonna attach this comb in the back and then the two on the side. And that's it. No, but there was one time that I deadass went out and I was lit and my wig was back here and I was getting turned. Nobody told me, they recorded me. It's okay, God is watching. There you go, see? Now what I'm gonna do, take each side separately, like 1, 2, pin it back, put glue right here, press that thing down, and then I'm gonna lay the edges down to sleep. I'll probably go like twice with the glue. I don't go 10 times. Can you hear me? Also a tip, I feel like nobody told me, when you're doing your makeup before putting on your wig, just don't put makeup on right here. Like, just do your makeup from like here on. I noticed that. Because if not, you're gonna be cleaning everything with the alcohol wipe and this and that's annoying. I'll take this comb and I start from like here, then go on. Oh, y'all started working again? Word? Heard you. Lay that girl down. And you gotta keep moving like the hair out of your way too, so you could go in like Lil Wayne. I'm going in. See how this is still up? I didn't put the glue far enough, but just to be safe, don't ever put it so far out, because then you're gonna have to once again be cleaning it up with the alcohol wipe, and that's the most annoyingest shit ever. I'll also put the glue on the tip. Yo. And then put it in whatever places don't have, just to be more precise and cleaner. I just wanted to say, when you installing a wig, please make sure you have like a water bottle or you buy a sink, because you gotta constantly like clean your fingers. That way your install could look clean and you don't got no like makeup and glue on your fingers and they look crusty. And make sure you're constantly wiping the comb that you're using like this, the back of it, you're pressing against, cause alright, now I'm done installing. I got my shape up. Feel me? The extra fade. Okay, now we're about to do these baby hairs. We're about to lay these baby hairs down to sleep. My rose bottle. And I know some girls use like wrapping lotion and stuff, but I use gel because I feel like it makes it easier. And when you spray your hair, don't spray it right here because it's gonna make your, your wig fall off. Your glue gonna come off. Look at this though. Don't it look like skint? I use Eco Starter gel for my edges, by the way, for these wig edges. And I feel like this gives me more control and precision. Yeah. And I'm only doing like all of the baby hairs because I just want to show you how good this wig looks. If you're gonna weigh your hair down, obviously you don't need to do all of this, but I'm just showing you because for $50-something, for 50-something, look at that, look at that. Outre, you need to make me your spokesperson because use is a little tiny brush and the same and black eyeshadow so it can match, the hair. So I go Bob Ross on the weave. See? Just do it wherever you feel needs to be done. And don't overdo it, like, you don't want to look like you got that fade beard, but on your head instead. So I don't have a powder that's my skin tone, so I use my bronzer, my MAC bronzer. And basically just put this wherever you feel needs it to match your skin, okay? Now go back in with my gel because I feel like if you're looking too powdery, so it could bring some, Now what I do is put water and mousse all over my hair if I want that really wet look, which I do. If not, you could just leave it like this. And you can straighten this wig, but I don't really recommend just because it's gonna stay straight. I literally test stranded the hair in the back of this wig and it stayed straight, so don't do it. Alright, mommy, no lo haga. My favorite. This wig is also like, not like 22, 24 inches. It's fire. I love this wig. I already used it like 3 times and it's still in good condition. I washed it, I deep conditioned it. So it's still good for a synthetic wig. It's actually really good. It doesn't really shed. If you want, also put some concealer or powder, foundation, whatever the product you want to put there to blend it in more. Homie, I've been waiting for this. Is your favorite part, right? Boom. Boom, boom. Somebody come and look at this. Look at that. I should have put a little bit more powder. Look at this. Look at this wig. I'm 5'2" and this wig comes up to here. Like almost the bottom of my stomach. I want to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. And I know you don't know me, but I know you, and that's why I'm in your screen. So what we gonna do? And I hope that you get this wig and it sells out, so OUTRE could sponsor me and give me, you know, wigs so I can show you. Remember, keep your head up, keep praying, and also if you feel like you find yourself in a situation where you don't know why, like bad things keep happening and you're just looking for a way out and stuff, just remember that whatever you're going through is a lesson. It's a lesson. Don't regret. There's nothing bad. It's just lessons, and be positive, and you're gonna get through this season, and you're gonna get through it. You're gonna do what you gotta do. Okay. Bye.